Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Chicco Fit2 Base into your vehicle using the lap and shoulder belt. Now, before you continue, make sure to consult your car seat manual and vehicle manual because all installations are not going to be the same. So you want to know how the car seat is going to work in your specific car. But yeah, let's begin. For the Chicco Fit2, there are two rules we need to follow to make sure the installation is complete. Rule number one, making sure the angle of the chair is in the right spot. On the side of the car seat, there's a leveling device, and as long as the bubble's between the two black lines, you know baby's sitting at the right position. Next is making sure that the car seat is tight enough. Once we secure the seat belt, the chair itself should not be able to slide on the vehicle seat more than an inch from side to side or front to back. So the first thing we're going to check on is the leveling device. The way to know your car seat is at the right angle is that you have to make sure that the bubble on the base is in between the two black lines. So if while you're tightening the car seat, the bubble crosses one of those lines, you know immediately that you need to adjust it. Right on the center of the base, there's an orange pull to level trigger. If you squeeze that trigger, it'll let you change the angle of the base. So you're going to need to adjust the angle so that the bubble is going to end up between the two black lines. Now that our angle is set, we can go ahead and feed the seatbelt through the base. Because we're doing a passenger installation, we're going to grab our seatbelt from the passenger side. We're going to go underneath the handlebars, over the center of the car seat where it says Fit 2, under the second handlebar, and then we're going to buckle it in. Once you've got the seatbelt buckled, we can begin to tighten it. You want to grab only the shoulder belt and you want to pull it away from the seatbelt buckle. As you're pulling on the seatbelt, your other hand is applying weight to the base and you want to slowly rock it from side to side. You're going to feel the car seat just get snug into the vehicle seat. Whenever you feel like you've tightened it enough, we need to lock the seatbelt in place. There is a gray lock-off device underneath both of the handlebars, and you only are going to use one of them. You're going to use the lock-off that's closest to the shoulder belt. So now that I have everything nice and snug, I'm going to slowly feed the seatbelt through the gray lock-off. Make sure it goes all the way in, and that's going to lock the seatbelt in place for you. With one hand, you can grab it from either side of the base, and if the car seat is not sliding more than an inch on the vehicle seat, you're good to go. Never check the car seat on the back. This back part is going to be able to move, and that's normal. If an accident were to happen, the car seats absorb the crash force and redistribute it, and instead of the force being released on the child, it's released on the back here. So the back part will move no matter what, but you just have to worry about the belt path. We're going to look back at our leveling device to make sure it stayed in the right position so we don't have to make any other adjustments. The bubble's in between the two black lines. And pretty much you need to check the car seat once a month. Installations are not permanent. They will loosen up over time. So once a month, grab it from either side and make sure it's still not moving more than an inch. If a couple of months have passed and it does start to move more than an inch, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your shoulder belt. You're going to pull it out of the lock-off device. We're going to retighten it, and then you're going to slide it back in. Never tighten the seatbelt while it's inside the lock-off device. Chicco says you have to release the seatbelt first before you retighten it. The only other thing you need to adjust is as the child gets taller, this actually has two recline positions on the base. Right now it's at stage 1 for babies between 0 and 12 months. You can move it to a more upright position once the child's at least 9 months, and it goes up to until about 24 months. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.